Oh man, the engine quit.
65.
Okay. Don't pitch up too much, otherwise you're going to stall.
Okay, so now that we've done that, check for master.
Nope.
The primer.
Master got nothing to do with it. Primer.
Ignition.
Yep.
I don't know if the circuit.
Nothing there. Throttle.
Throttle. Mixture.
Gas. You're better off going down here and then going across. Okay. Got 65. Now everything went to. Where are we going? What's going to happen?
We can look for a place to land.
Okay.
The 4-bay is right there. No, wait, no. No, don't mind. I think there's a strip right there.
A what?
A strip.
Oh, okay. Where's the wind coming from?
I don't think there is any wind.
Oh boy, there is.
Oh really? Oh yeah, the wind seems to be going that way.
Look at the smokestack on the right, under the wing strut.
Yeah, that's out there, but right here, I'm looking at it right here.
Yeah, I see the ripples going kind of that way.
So.
Okay, I think that's the strip right there.
Okay, well, let's go find out.
The winds at Byron was from 30.
Yeah. Okay, now you can really see the wind.
Oh yeah, strip right there.
Oh, you're way too high.
Okay.
Oh. We can do a forward slip.
No, I wouldn't do any of that right now. I'd look for my 65 and...
One down there. Okay, we don't do the flaps and stuff? No, okay.
Yeah, you could fly a normal pattern and land on it.
Yeah.
On 3-1 right.
Nope, it's not right.
No?
What is the R for?
Restricted.
Oh.
Can't land there.
Wait, really?
Yeah, without prior permission.
Uh-oh.
We're not going to land.
So. Oh, yeah.
Except in an emergency?
Yeah. In an emergency, all things are good. Look at how fast you're going. It causes you to lose the altitude. Now remember, that runway's probably at sea level.
Yeah, so yeah,
we're
about 1,000 feet. That's a bit too high.
Being too far away from the runway.
Oh, wow.
Ah! Are you high or low?
Way high.
Fix it. That ain't the way you fix it.
No?
I would have put flaps in. You're way behind the power.
Oh, okay. I thought you said you don't want to use flaps.
No, I said not out here.
Oh, okay.
You're not going to make it. You're dead.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not going to make it.
Nope.
I think there's, I don't know. You didn't land on that strip over there?
No, yeah, I'd land in the green over there.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, so you got to be ready.
Yeah.
Pitch it over, you want airspeed. Airspeed's your friend. The only reason I didn't let you go any further was, look what's down here. Power lines.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's go over to Byron.
So Steve, what should he have done to make the runway landing? He should have turned on flaps a little sooner?
Yep.
Just like in a normal pattern
Yeah,
landing.
I mean, you hit it right there, somewhat normal. You want to make sure that you've got the runway made. Then you can start putting flaps in and that kind of stuff.
You don't want the flaps too soon because it's going to increase drag and you may not make it to the runway.
You got it, exactly. And getting rid of the flaps won't help you at all to extend the glide.
Yeah.
At that point in time.